Peller don't buy house, so Abi, where that boy now? Where they call Fearless? We gift Peller that time bracelet worth $35,000. Where the boy? Fearless Abi Predator. Where are you? If you not get your own personal house, the thing go pay me for you because when they come like Nigeria still like eye service for this country. Best what you do, Good Samaritan. Where is your house? Kind Nigerian. I want know. I don't want to be bad person for you. No say me. Una too like eye service for Nigeria. I want see that boy. If you know that guy, so we give Peller bracelet worth $35,000. Tag her to this video. I want know. Good Samaritan. Kind Nigerian. Where is your house? Peller don't buy house worth over 500 million naira. Where's your own achievement? We won't know. Kind Nigerian.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.